and I want to have it pop up when someone clicks on a button. So I'm going to scroll down over here and we're now going to select this one right here. So I'll click on insert. And now right away, here we have this pop-up. Now this is where you can put like your site logo, you can put some information, you can put a video. So you have full access to build this however you would like. Now right here, if I click on this element, this is the WordPress menu. Now this is actually a pro element. So if we scroll down over here, we're gonna see WordPress menu. And when you drag this onto the actual section over here, it will then allow you to display your menu. And you can choose to customize your menu styles. You can put it in the center, to the end. You can have it like an underline or overline. You can do all sorts of different effects. You can also go to the style over here and you can fully adjust the typography of this specific menu. Also, we have a drop down. So if you actually have a drop down menu, which is the second menu, you can actually design the drop down menu as well. So what I'm gonna do here is we're just gonna click on publish and we're not gonna set any sort of conditions. So we're just going to save this. So all I'm gonna do here is click on save and close. Okay, now let's create one more. So over here, I'm gonna do the same thing. So now I'm gonna create one more pop-up. Now we have our main pop-up. This is automatically triggered without no actions. We have the menu, and then we're gonna create one more. So right here, I'll click on create templates, and then we're gonna select one more. So I'm gonna scroll down over here, and we're just gonna select something basic. So I will select this appointment schedule. Here I'll go ahead and click on insert. And without me having to edit everything, I'm just going to publish this. So here I'll click on publish, and I'll also click on save and close. Okay, so now we have a pop-up, we have a menu pop-up, and then we have an automated pop-up. Now let's go to the theme builder and apply these pop-ups to a menu that we can build from scratch. So let's go over here to our WordPress, and we're gonna click on theme builder. Okay, so this is the Elementor theme builder. Now, just in case you're not familiar on exactly what it does, here on my website, darrelwilson.com, we are using the theme builder to build my header. You're gonna see that we have these icons here at the top. We have this section here for the templates. We also have a menu, and then we also have gtranslate, which can translate the entire website. Also, if we actually go to a dead link over here and just type in some gibberish and press enter, you're gonna see that we have this 404 page that me and my team, we personally built. Now, if we go to our website right now and we just go ahead and type in, just a bunch of gibberish as well, it's gonna take us to this specific page right here. And normally with WordPress, you cannot edit this page. However, with the theme builder, you can fully design and customize this page and also every other part of your website. So let me demonstrate. Let's first talk about how to create a header with the Elementor theme builder. So here